Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Peshawar Model Degree College. Today we are here for next chapter of English Advanced second year course. I am Miss Fazilat and today let's start our next topic. This is a short story with the name of Button Button and it is written by Richard Matheson. If we discuss the main character of this story, Button Button, so the main characters are first of all Mr. Arthur, Norma Lewis, and Mr. Stewart. These three characters are the major characters of the story, and the story actually consists of these three characters. The whole plot revolves around these three characters. Now we discuss the background of this short story. So Button Button is the second segment of the 20th episode from the first season. It was in 1985 to 86 of the television series The Twilight Zone. And the episode is based on the short story of the same name by Richard Matheson, and the same short story forms the basis of the 2009 film The Box. So the original idea is taken from passage number 162 of Genesis of Christianity. And this short story Button Button was first published in Playboy June 1970. A short story written by Richard Matheson. This story was republished as part of a collection of Matheson's short stories. If we discuss the plot, so in the beginning, Arthur and Norma Lewis are slowly descending into abject poverty. One day, they receive a mysterious locked box with a button on it and a note that says that Mr. Stewart will come visit. What happens next? That then, just as the note says, a smartly dressed stranger who introduces himself as Mr. Stewart comes to their door when Arthur is out. He gives Norma the key to the box and explains that if they press the button, two things will happen. They will receive $2 lakh and someone whom they don't know will die. After the stranger leaves, the Lewis wonders whether Stewart's proposal is genuine, and they agonize over whether to press the button. Norma rationalizes that they could make a good use of money and that the one who dies might be some Chinese peasant or cancer sufferer who is living a miserable life. Arthur takes the side that since they do not know who will die, pressing the button may cause the death of an innocent baby. But Norma is very excited about the button, and she was greedy. She wanted to make good use of the money and to earn money. So she actually pushes the button. What happens that after pushing the button, she received a call from Langston Hill Hospital, and someone told her that a crowd had pushed Arthur in front of the train. Arthur, her husband, has been died. We see that the money Mrs. Lewis was promised actually was the insurance money of Mr. Arthur. So Arthur's life insurance policy is very significant because it is this policy's money that Norma gets after her husband's death. This was all about this short story. Hope students you understood the story and it will help you.